Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the basic structure of the sentence formation. So let's begin. Let us say I am Ben. So how is this written in English? Japanese is watashi wa ben desu. This wa is the particle, topic marking particle. So, which usually this sentence means A is B. So, this is how we write in Japanese. Watashi wa ben desu. As you all might know, this I have written in katakana, and the rest, this part and this is in hiragana. So I hope you have the basic knowledge of how to where to use hiragana and where to use katakana. So this is I believe you have this knowledge, and with that I am going to proceed. In case you want me to take up the hiragana or katakana lessons, then please let me know. So this is the watashi wa ben desu is the first part of chapter 1. The second part is ja arimasen. This means A is not B. So what I'll say, so I'm directly picking up the sentence from the book. It says Santos san wa gakusei ja arimasen. So again, here Santos-san is the name of the person. In Japanese, we use this part san with the name. It is a polite way to speak, or also as a sign of respect. And gakusei is gakusei means student. Here the sentence means A is not B, that is Santos-san is not a student. So this part is our A and this is B. And obviously this is the topic marking particle, and ja arimasen, it says, is not B. So this is the second sentence we have learned. Now let's move on to the third sentence. Again I am picking it up directly from the book. It says Mera san wa kaishain desu. Kaisha in desu ka. So whenever we get this part ka at the end of the sentence, it means a question mark. What happens is in the Nihongo, Japanese language, we do not use this marks like this question mark. Instead, we always use ka. So here here what means is Mira-san. Mira, actually this is again a name to be written in katakana, which is Mira. Mira-san. Okay. This actually it is pronounced as Miller. Mike Miller. He is a person. He is one of the character we will find in the front pages of the book. There are around, I guess, some characters which some names which you need to remember, which are used over and over the book, like these are the characters used in the book. So maybe I can take I can just upload a video on who they are and where they work. It's like the basic profile is given. So here it says Mila-san, this is one word obviously, wa kashain desu ka. So here again, kashain means work, someone who works, right? Office worker, you can say. So kashain desu ka. So here the part is is A equal to B or is A B? This is what we have here. So instead of this question mark, we use ka. And next, let's move on to the fourth sentence. It is Santosu-san mo kashain desu. It says Santosu-san mo kashain desu. So here again, Santosu-san, this is the name of a person, Santos, and then son. Kashain desu, he works office, he works in the office, or you can also say it's okay. Mo. Now this is a bit different. Whenever we use this sentence mo, it usually means let's say we have A is B. This is the sentence number 1 which we learned. So when this usually says this is the particle wa. Next, let's say let's not use A, let's use C is D 2. So whenever we have this word 2, that means that obviously means these two sentences are similar, and this is where we use the particle mo. So we can say that Miller-san wa kashain desu. Kashain desu. Next, Santosu-san mo kashain desu. So this means Mr. Miller-san is kashain, and Santosh-san is also kashain. So it's 2. It says 2, or also you can say, and this is the sentence. So this usually marks the same similar kind of sentence whenever. But always remember, whenever we cannot directly say that Santosh-san mo kashain desu. This sentence, the second sentence will always come whenever you speak the first sentence, right? So this during a conversation. So this is what we need to remember, the particles wa and mo. So In today's video, we have learned number 1 is A is B. Number 2, A is not B. Number 3 is A equal to B. And then the fourth sentence is A is, maybe it's better if we mark it again, C is D too also. Okay, so these are the basic sentences we have learned today, and the particles which we have learned today are wa and mo. Then we have this ja arimasen. These two are not the particles. On this wa and mo is the particle. And we have ka for questions. Now these are the quick revision notes which I have uploaded in the Instagram account of mine, so maybe you can follow me there if you need to get these notes. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.